just a quick word. I know you look at long term now in a big way. In the last 5-6 years, you look at very long structural stories, but just to focus on the short term, there's a lot of question marks around growth. Q2 के end में, even Q3 6.2, okay, nothing too great, but capex rebound a little bit in December, government capex, etc. Jan conversation was okay. In your conversations with your private investee companies or your fund investee companies, do you sense that the optimism is back, whether on capex or on growth or on both?
No, see, it is not a switch, it's a dial, right? Like it changed other way around last year, like I said, everything moves with a 2-quarter gap. Okay. See, liquidity ka answer is nothing, but liquidity. It's like,
That's true.
Right? So, like we took out last year, why the interest rate went up? The RBI did not increase the interest because there was no liquidity in the system. Deposit growth was not happening for the banks, right? Today, with 12 lakhs rupees minimum, no tax, your post-tax returns become 8.5%, which is a great money for very wide middle class. So you will start seeing deposit flow back. So I think these pivots we are ignoring. These pivots both on the liquidity, a dovish commentary by regulator clearly tells you that we have shifted from risks to growth. Mm-hmm. Government is clearly moving to growth. So I think all those things like I said, it's not a switch, it's dial. So as you will start seeing people, and people feel more with numbers. As numbers come out, as markets do well, we will feel more and more confident. It is a human psychology.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, 2 days ago, Vikas, I put out a tweet as well, wherein I said that when this tide eventually turns and people look back, people will realize what a crucial role the Reserve Bank of India has played in the last month and a half, right? The measures that they've taken, not too many people anticipated it. People were talking about it, but not many people anticipated one after the other kind of moves that they're kind of pretty strong, right?
In a good bull market, and if the sentiments were good, this would be cheered beyond measure. Yeah. In a bad sentiment, markets have ignored it. Yes. That's a beauty that is giving you opportunity to buy in a great developments and giving the right price to buy. But markets are saying, okay, big deal. But if you understand the meaning of these macro changes, these pivots tend to, people will say, okay, pivots kiya, but what happened? Nothing has improved. It does not happen automatically, immediately. It takes 2 quarters lag. So it will happen.
It will happen. Okay.
Unless something goes wrong globally and, which is, some major chaos happen, big risk comes from obviously right now from US that we do not know.
Yeah.